So what you working on today, Kevin?
Finishing up the interchiller, finally. Hopefully. Maybe tomorrow.
Or next week.
Yeah.
Yeah. 8 weeks.
It's been a long process, man.
I don't think very many people have seen an interchiller before. So this is a refrigerant to liquid heat exchanger.
Yep.
So this takes your air conditioning and chills the intercooler water.
Yep. Yep, then he's got the race solenoid too, where you can actually turn off the condenser, and then it just runs through the intercooler.
Oh, okay, so nothing actually goes into cooling the cabin.
Yeah, that way at the track, your condenser's not leaking water all over the track and everything like that. It's all just coming through the interchiller.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's
I
pretty
thought
neat.
leaking shit was good.
Well,
All over the track.
it's probably not going to be water. It's gonna be oil and
Yeah.
gears.
It's gonna be out the bottom of the oil pan.
Yeah, exactly.
Or training fluid or something.
That's packaged really nice in there.
It's really not bad, huh?
Oh, they even wrote on it too, I'll tell you.
Yep, in, out.
and out. Or no, is that even what this is? TX?
Yeah, TX thermal
What's that?
expansion valve.
Yeah, there we go. All that fancy terminology, man.
Shoot.
Mike's using his Swedish gap enlarger.
Got it from the gynecologist.
That's not mine.
Why did you make me feel better? Because you had to use a stool too. I was laughing. Mike was gonna come out here and go, Dad, what do you need a stool for?
Now there is a pull tab up against the back of the door.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, right where your thumb is, yeah. Almost. Yeah, got it.
A day in the life of Mike. Yes.
Counterpin, quit bitching. Now it's official.
Huh? Do like Kyle does?
See, that didn't even bother me.
Huh?
Okay, now that does. I can't see.
That's not a knife.
Where's your keys, Levi?
TBA. Adjustable control arms.
It's like a box within a box.
And another box.
And no, there it is. Jeez Louise, man. Let's just take this thing into the shower and cut the whole thing open.
Oh, he's got a knife there.
I got one.
I can try it.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
I like the red anodized.
Yeah, it looks really good. Especially when I put a nice cut in it with this knife.
Oh, were they all red like that? That's so cool.
Challenge.
I think that's gonna make a difference. It's like fucking glued.
Oh, baby.
Yeah. You gotta follow shop protocol.
Which is what?
Well, if it's a turbo, you gotta spin it. Otherwise, you have to use it as an extension of your manhood.
I see you, Doogie. Oh, you see that?
That was you just now?
Looks good, don't it?
Wow.
Is it bad?
You're worried about your aluminum rusting, huh?
Rusting,
Oh,
man.
no. What is that going on?
Jeep.
Let's go see if Jeff's excited.
He's gonna have to together now. He's gonna be like, man.
Like, shit, I got work to do.
I was hoping to wait another couple days.
Doogie.
Yeah, I can get that.
Maybe cut up the fucking.
Oh, they're
They
hiding.
all left for the day.
Oh wow! Look at that. Classic.
A carbon fiber drive shaft.
Yes, sir.
Drive shaft shop hooked us up. 1 day shipping on that.
Nice.
They were on back order and they pulled some strings and got one for them.
In another box.
It's the Russian nesting boxes.
Lord. Look at that.
Ah, Farben Kyber.
Yeah, you got it. God, that beefy ass fucking joint right there.
So now we're just waiting on the blower,
Sir.
which is getting 1 day today. Should be here tomorrow
don't they
or
have
the
that?
next day.
Don't they have that sweet, I don't know if they do or not. They have that sweet logo on it with the guy all crinkled up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Usually they put it on the drive shaft. I wonder if they did. Cutting this one.
What's that way?
Nothing.
Feel it. This weighs like maybe 10 pounds.
Oh my gosh, man.
That's insane to me.
If 10 pounds?
Yeah.
World record Trackhawk on the way.
That's nuts, dude.
Oh, I can't wait till you get a race car. I'll be opening your boxes like, whoo, throwing shit out.
You don't won't need to because I will because I don't give a fuck. Can't find it, grind it is my motto. Same with opening boxes.